This segment of Good Company was sponsored by Oral Design Cleveland.
Your smile is often the first thing people see when you meet them, so you want to impress them with a beautiful, natural-looking smile. Here to share how to get one is Dr. John Heimke from Oral Design Cleveland. Doctor, it's always great to see you.
Great. Pleasure to be here.
Appreciate you being here. I know we're going to have some fun today.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Patients that you have come and see request a natural smile, and you take that very seriously.
Yeah, and to customize that, you know, what we do is we have different components. We deal with light reflectivity, shade dynamics, also the beauty of the asymmetries of the smile. So some of the things that aren't as perfect, we make them look more perfect, but also create some imperfections so that it looks even better. And then we know how to create a harmonious smile, and then we know especially how to make how it's perceived, you know, and how it creates a natural personality for that patient.
And the Oral Design team, you have a specific approach to each and every patient. Let's talk about that.
Yeah, we have a team of a master ceramist, a laboratory technician, and then myself. And basically what we do is I'll design the case. I'll also am responsible for how we prepare the teeth. And then the technician creates the 3D effect and creates the final porcelain. Because I don't create the porcelain. They're the artist that makes the porcelain. I'm the artist that does the design and how to prep the teeth and finish it off.
You know, it's not just the teeth, it's the frame around it. And I think that what I hear you saying is that you see a patient, how they smile, how they generally smile, and how the teeth behind that smile, their lips, actually interact with each other. So it's really kind of a harmonious situation where it all comes together.
Exactly. And we start with the face. That's Oral Design. Start with the face, get the characteristics of the face, interview the patient, trying to get what their personality is, and then we incorporate that into the teeth.
And let's talk about the customization with porcelain, because you do that very well.
Yeah, well, porcelain, you know, this level of porcelain work, and we're going to show some photographs, where they use a palette of, say, 20 colors minimum. And that's how we create that natural white. And you're going to see that it looks quite dramatic because you see all these radiant colors and you're like, how does that become a beautiful natural white? As you can see right here, these are beautiful photographs from Oral Design Hollywood, master ceramist Paulo Batisstella, and he was kind enough to provide these photographs. Look at that pink, look at the orange, look at the blues. And once that is fired, it becomes beautiful looking teeth. So it's kind of like ceramics, if you've ever, you know, when you're in school, you painted ceramics, put it in a kiln, and then you get something that is totally different.
Completely different.
They have to know how is that going to translate into a beautiful smile, and you can see the artistry that goes in. They use an artist brush, and basically they're taking powdered porcelain, adding some liquid, and then stacking it and baking it.
And knowing, Doctor, watching this and seeing this, really, you're pointing out here with these visuals that a tooth is not one shade all the way across.
Exactly.
Right. It really is artwork.
There's a recipe, a custom recipe for each patient based on their skin tone, hair color, things like that, and the color, obviously, that we're trying to achieve. Otherwise, you're going to get a very artificial looking smile.
Right.
And obviously, we don't want to strive for that. You know.
Right. All right, so we do have a certain amount of pictures we want to see here before we run out of time, because we love this. So what are we watching here?
So this photograph shows in the center is the founder of Oral Design,
very good.
Mr. Willi Geller out of Zurich, Switzerland. He is our mentor, our teacher, and he is the one that perfected a lot of these cosmetic dentistry techniques utilizing porcelain. And then the Oral Design ceramist that I work with for the majority of my career, Peter Kouvaris on the left and Pinhas Adar in Atlanta. So we're very blessed. I'm blessed to be part of Oral Design. There's only 130 members in the world. And then the ceramist Peter in New York and Pinhas in Atlanta.
You always look great in your pictures too. You got a great look about you.
Well,
I'm sure people tell you that all the time. So, look at this before and after. I love
and
this.
Just wanted to show you when you saw that stacking of porcelain, you saw the ceramics.
Oh my goodness, I love it.
And you know, this is how we create a fabulous smile. You know, it's the vision of taking the smile on the left and then translating it, how to correct the rotations, and then how to match Michelle's skin tone to make those beautiful white teeth.
100% natural, looks like it's been there forever.
Exactly.
And she's smiling just like it has been there forever. So good for you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being here. And for more information, please reach out to Oral Design Cleveland, 21851 Center Ridge Road. It's very simple to get to. It's Suite 302. You can call 888-255-3588. And the website, Everyone loves mysmile.com. That is true. And of course, dental implants, rockyriver.com as well, too. Dr. Heimke, thank you so much for being with us.
It's been a pleasure.